everybody, welcome back to Creative Retreat Street. So today I do have some more Valentine's DIYs for you all. Basically for this DIY, I wanted to recreate the a heart chocolate box. So I actually have some cutouts, heart cutouts from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to paint them with the Apple Barrel acrylic paint at Walmart. I actually did 2 coats. So I filled in the holes using hot glue, and then I just proceeded painting the hearts. Again, I did 2 coats, and then here I actually have this foam board from the Dollar Tree as well. Basically, what I'm going to do is I am going to cut this and try not to use scissors. I don't have an X-Acto knife or anything, but I am using one side of the scissor, the sharpest side, I believe. And basically what I'm doing here is scoring it. I am going to have to score it a couple times, and then it just breaks off just like that. I used this from a previous project, and I just keep it around just in case. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to measure this out, try to find the middle, and then line that up and then score it again. What this is going to be is basically kind of like my walls for the heart chocolate box. So what I do here is I actually score probably about maybe 1 inch, 2 inches, and I score it. And you just want to score it. You don't want to score it until you actually cut it. Just score it one time, and then you're going to break it apart. And what happens is it actually makes it movable and adjustable. So I start out by one of the heart-shaped doilies from the Dollar Tree. I just went ahead and put that on, and I just simply used hot glue. My advice for everybody is watch out, because it does have holes and it will burn you. And then I just have my foam board, and I just proceed to line that up. I want to get it almost as, close as possible to the edge. I don't want to have a big, huge gap. And I will tell you this, as soon as you lay that hot glue down to the cutout, it is pretty, it sets up really, really fast. So just be careful with that. If you want to put the hot glue down and then put the foam board over and think you're going to be able to adjust it a lot, you will not be able to do that. So just be precise in that. But essentially it was pretty easy. You just lined it up where you wanted to, and then I just hot glued it, and then I just laid it on top and just held it there for a good, 2 or 3 seconds for it to set up. Now, you see me wiping the edge. I didn't want big globs of hot glue there, so I do wipe it just to make sure it's pretty smooth. Be careful again, do not burn yourself. I do decide to reinforce it by putting hot glue on the inside as well. I just want to make sure it's really sturdy. If I haven't told you yet, thank you for stopping by on my channel and viewing this video. Let me know what you all think in the comments below, and let me know what your theme is for Valentine's Day. Again, I plan to decorate my kitchen with these. I tend to put them on the top of my cabinets. So let me know what you all think, and thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. It does help my channel grow. And hit that like button if you enjoy this video. I don't know exactly what happened here, but I did have that second one, that second heart cut out, and I did give it 2 coats. I will go ahead and warn you all, I lost some footage. I don't know exactly what happened, but essentially the sides of this box, what happened is I actually painted it with 2 coats of the same color, Apple Barrel acrylic paint from Walmart. I don't know what happened to the footage, but yeah, you see, that's the side. It does remind me a little bit of an ice cream sandwich. So if that's your theme, if you're doing like the candy and the sweet thing, that will actually be really, really good for you. But I decided to paint 2 coats of it. And I actually made another heart and it's pink. Again, I do not know exactly what happened to the footage. That was my bad, but it's pink vinyl that I used. I had it for a very long time. You can pick up the vinyl from the Dollar Tree as well. It was absolutely awesome to make this DIY, and it came out so cute. And this is actually how it turned out. And I do have footage of the pink one as well. And thank you for stopping by and viewing my video.